You look over there. Do you have the GeForce experience?
Yeah, I'm using it right now.
Yeah, if you pull up Alt Z, if you look over there to the right, underneath where it says gallery, you'll see a little symbol that looks like a microphone. And you can turn that on to always on or push to talk. Go into customize, and you can set what phone you can also turn on your webcam so that it puts a webcam in there or it doesn't. And if you go into settings, like if you use a webcam, you can go into settings and set it up so that it's your webcam where you want to put it. It's actually pretty in depth for what it is. Connect it so that you can automatically upload straight from it to like YouTube, Google, Imgur, or Twitch.
Gegnerischer Zerstörer versenkt.